Configurator is a desktop tool that helps you set up device parameters, update MCU firmware, and adjust settings remotely. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Part 1. Tool installation. The configurator supports both Windows and Mac OS systems. It is compatible with Windows 7 and Mac OS 10.15 or later. Click the button to download the compressed package. Unzip the file. Double-click to run. Just follow the installation instructions to complete the installation. Installation is complete. Automatic driver installation on first connection takes 2 to 3 minutes. Part 2. Connect the device. Now, let's take the EH15 V2 video device as an example to demonstrate how to use the tool. Prepare device and serial cable USB-C. Connect to the computer via the USB port. Connect the device via the Type-C port. Connection successful. Part 3. Basic operation instructions. The list of modules in the left sidebar is not fixed. It changes based on the model of the device you connect. Device info displays basic device information. You can configure the device's basic parameters in basic settings. Note that the available parameters here will vary depending on your device model. Use the top toolbar to easily perform all key tasks, like saving parameters or restarting the device. For example, modifying the parameters, click the Save to Device button to send the parameters to the device. The AI settings module is mainly used to configure AI algorithm parameters. Video settings is mainly used to set video parameters. Camera debug is used to capture camera footage for see the live view to adjust the angle. The log module is primarily used to view debugging logs. Part 4. MCU upgrade. Click MCU firmware to enter the MCU upgrade page. You can select files here to upgrade the MCU module of the device. This feature currently available on devices that support MCU firmware updates. Part 5. Air config. When the device is out of reach or already installed, you can modify its parameters remotely using Air config. Please note, device must be online on the photo web and support remote communication. Click Air config button, log into the photo account, enter the device ID or IMEI number to access the device remotely. You can also directly access the device using device ID, IMEI, and ICC ID. The remote access to the device will be automatically disconnected after 10 minutes. That concludes our tool demonstration. We hope this tool brings efficiency to your work. Thanks for watching.